Important places to clean throughout the day to make sure that you minimize your exposure to the coronavirus. Number one, your phone. You're holding this near your face all the time, and every time you put your hand on it, if your hand has freshly touched virus, it can get on the phone, especially when you're keying. Now you're holding it near your face. Second thing, doorknobs. All the doorknobs in your house, go around and periodically clean them. Handles, clean the handles on your sink, clean the handles on your toilet, clean the handles on your bicycle, anywhere your hands are touching. Next thing, computer keyboards. It's very easy to clean a keyboard with a wipe. Just make sure the computer is off before you do it. But periodic wipes of that will be excellent. Last, your mouse. You touch your mouse with your hand. Make sure that you clean the mouse, not only where you hold it with your palm, but where you click on it.